Okay, so today's the day. I bought the seeds. Hey, shh, come on. Ahi lemon, aka lemon drop. I bought the seeds on eBay. I went through all the phases. Now they're all grown up and ripened. So let's come over and get one. And I'm going to try it for the first time. And I'm not really a spicy person, you know. I'm not one to eat raw habaneros, even really raw jalapenos necessarily, unless they're really sweet. Okay. That's the ahi lemon, aka lemon drop. This is my first tasting ever of this pepper that I grew from seed, and I'm excited. Let's give it a shot. It's delicious and sweet. It tastes like lemon drop candy. It's so hot. It's so good. It's just hot. I don't normally eat it raw like this. It's like the first time I think I've ever done that. Let's go get some milk. That tasted like candy. And it really just started to hurt me. But it's a good pain. It's like habanero heat. I just love the rush you get from a hot pepper. Okay, so let me just give a little synopsis of this experience. Hey. I definitely will love to cook with this all the time. It produces a lot of peppers, and they are so delicious. It starts off so sweet, like a lemon head candy or something. And it's like, okay, I can handle this. This is fine. And then it builds in heat very quickly, basically, as soon as you open your mouth. 30,000 Scovilles on these guys. Altogether, though, I would recommend growing it, and I would recommend eating it even more.